In this video, I will show you step by step how to design beautifully this eye-catching 3D chart in PowerPoint and create these 3D charts in Excel. Hi, I am Farid Mahdiar and welcome to my channel. Let's get started. Go to Insert tab, Shapes, Line. Draw a line on the slide. Copy and paste the line, then move the duplicate to the right side. Press Ctrl A to select both lines and then Ctrl C copy and Ctrl V to paste them. Move the new pair of lines upward. Copy one of the right side line and paste them 7 times. Arrange these lines vertically and parallel. Adjust the right ends of lines slightly inward to create a 3D perspective. Now the parallel lines are arranged. Select the 2 outer lines. Go to the Shape Format tab, Shape Style. Choose Intense Dark 1. Apply Shape Effect, Shadow, Offset Bottom. Set Shape Outline. Weight 2 1/4 point. Select the 2 inner lines. Choose Intense Line, Accent 3. Set outer weight and 1.5 point. Select all parallel lines. In order to do this, press Ctrl and select all 6 parallel lines. Apply Moderate Line Accent 3 style. Set outline weight to 1 point. Select the left outer line and change its style to Intense Line Accent 3. Draw 2 diagonal lines to form the sides of a triangle around the figure. In order to do this, copy one of the line, paste, arrange it, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, arrange them, select both lines of the triangle and change the style to Intense Line Dark 1. Outline weight to 2 1/4 and shadow offset button. Draw an additional line extending from the left side of the triangle. Ctrl C, Ctrl V. In order to draw curved line graphs in PowerPoint, go to Insert, Shape, and Curved Line. Click and start at the intersection of 2 lines. Click to create bends in the line where is needed. Double-click to finish. Repeat the same procedure to draw 5 more curved line graphs. Insert, Shapes, Curve. Style the graph. Select each graph. Go to Shape Outline, choose your desired color. Set outline weight to 3 point. Now add numbers to the y-axis. Go to Insert, Insert Box, write 1. Change the number size to 14 and bold it. Ctrl C copy and paste 6 times. Now arrange them. Now add years to the x-axis. To do this, copy and paste a text box, write 2000, rotate this, arrange it, draw a bar in this triangle, go to insert, shape, insert a shape, turn it, fill with a color. Let's move to creating line graph in Excel. In order to perform line graph in Excel, select the data, go to insert, line graph. Now the graph looks jagged. In order to solve this problem, select the graph, right click, format the data series. In the fill in line option, under the line, scroll down and check the smoothed line. In order to remove the background of the graph, right click on the chart area, go to fill and no fill. Right click on the chart area, outline, no outline. To add the x-axis or y-axis, axis title, trend line, legend, and so on, in the top right corner on the plus button, you can add axis title, you can add axis, you can add chart title, you can add data label, you can add error bar, and so on. You can add trend line. In this case, we uncheck all the options except trend line. In order to plot a series across year, select the data, insert line, line graph. Now the chart is not what we want because we do not want the variable year to be plotted as a graph. To solve this problem, go to select data, uncheck the year, then OK. Now the problem is solved, but still the variable year is not written in the x-axis. To do this, go to select data, edit, select the series except its title, then OK. OK. Now as you can see, the year is written in the x-axis. To change the graph color, select the graph, change it to blue. The second way to solve this problem, because we do not want the variable year to be plotted as a graph, there is a shortcut way. We should remove the title of the year, select the data, we can plot it. Now as you can see, by removing the title of the year, we can plot a series of data across year. You can smooth the graph, click the graph, under the line, check the smoothed line. Let's continue with plotting bar chart in Excel. To create 3D bar chart in Excel, select the data, insert, bar chart, more column bar chart. In the column and the 3D clustered, choose the second option. OK. You can customize the chart by clicking on the chart area, right click, fill, no fill. Right click on the chart area, outline, no outline. We can add the axis and axis title and label on the top right corner on the plus button. You can add or you can uncheck all the options. In this case, we uncheck all the options. To add rotation to the bar chart, click on the bars, right click, 3D rotation. In the 3D rotation section, you can rotate the X or X-axis, or you can rotate the Y-axis. In this case, we rotate the X rotation to 150 and the Y to 20. Uncheck the right angle axis, change the perspective to 10. Now we can change the color of each bar. Right click on a bar, fill. You can change the color of all bars. You can add shadow to the each bar. Right click, format data series. In the fill in line, there is shadow. Select the offset bottom. Choose the white background 1, darker 35, increase the blur to 9. You can increase the size and transparency. You can repeat this shadow to each bars. Now the graph is ready to paste into the slide presentation. Let's end the video with plotting pie chart and Excel. To create pie chart in Excel, select the data, go to Insert, Pie Chart, 3D Pie Chart. To customize the chart, we can remove the background by selecting the chart area, right-click, Fill, No Fill. Right-click again, go to Outline, No Outline. To add the label on the top right corner on the plus button, we can check the data label. In this case, we uncheck the chart title and legend. We can bold the percentage written on the pie chart, bold, increase it to 12. To add distances between parts of pie chart, we can click on the chart. We can add explosion. In this case, we increase the explosion to 20%. And you can change the angle of the first slice. In this case, we increase it to 215. You can change the color of each slice by selecting each slice. You can fill the color that you want. You can repeat this for all the slices. You can add the outline to all the slices. Go to Format, Shape Outline, choose a color for the outline. Now the graph is ready to copy and paste it into your slide presentation. Go to Excel, Ctrl+C to copy the bar chart and Ctrl+V paste it. Go to Excel, copy the pie chart, Ctrl+V paste it. You can also bring the line chart from Excel, copy the line chart and paste it to PowerPoint. Now the promised 3D bar charts are ready for you to use in your PowerPoint slides. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for simply explained statistics tutorials. If you want to learn how to choose the right graph for your data analysis, check out the video on the ending screen.